Looking for secondary and basement suite plumbing and ADU construction services in Strathcona County? At Kingstree Plumbing, we specialize in high-quality plumbing solutions tailored for secondary suites, basement suites, and ADU construction. Whether you're creating a rental suite or expanding your living space, our experts ensure seamless plumbing installation, proper drainage connections, and full compliance with local building codes. Homeowners in Strathcona County trust us for expert craftsmanship, reliable service, and long-lasting results. From design and permits to installation and inspection, we handle every step with precision. Need professional plumbing for your project? Call Kingstree Plumbing today or book online to get started.